If you miss a step when changing your address, you could lose a package, you could miss your bills, and also you could mess up your taxes. And here is how to avoid it. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Oluwaseifumi, and today I am diving into a topic that helps you change your address the right way, because this can cause a very big headache if you miss a step. Let's get right into it. Number one, you want to update your government records. And for your government records, you want to update your CRA account. You want to update your address on your CRA. You want to notify Service Ontario or Service Canada of your address change. This is to make sure that your health card details is up to date, your driver's license details is also up to date, and also your employment insurance detail is also up to date. Also, if you make use of Canada Post, you want to make sure that your address is updated with them as well, to make sure that you get your mails at the right address. Step 2, you want to update your banking and financial records. For your banking information, you want to check with your bank to see if you can do this on your mobile app, or if you need to walk into the bank to get this done. It's very easy to get this done on your mobile app. Just check to see if you can have that information updated on that. And also for your financial institutions, if you have any loans you're servicing, you want to notify them of your address change, so that your statements and mails goes or comes to the right address. You need to notify the credit union as well. And also, if you have any insurances, it is you're paying your car insurance, your life insurance, your home insurance, you also want to notify them so that your records are up to date with them. Step 3, you want to notify your utilities and your service providers. For your utilities, if you pay for hydro, water, gas, you want to notify them so that you don't get billed wrongly at either your old address or your current address with your name on it. You don't want that to happen, apparently. And also for your service providers, that's your internet, your cable, your mobile phone, you want to update them to let them know that you've changed address, so that your record is up to date with them as well. Step 4, you want to notify your healthcare providers. Your healthcare providers could include your family doctors, your dentist, obstetrician, your optometrist, whoever it is that is your healthcare provider. You want to notify them, and this is to ensure that you also have your record up to date with them. And also, if there are any prescriptions that needs to be delivered to your home address, it gets delivered to the right address. Step 5, you want to notify your employer as regards to your new address change. This is to make sure that your pay stub, your pay slip has the right address and the right information on it for tax and benefit purposes. You want to make sure that your employer, your HR department is aware of your new address, just to make sure that things are being put in place accordingly for you. Number 6, if you have kids, you want to notify the school or the daycare that your child attends. This is to make sure that the emergency contact record is up to date. And also, if your kids attend any extracurricular activities, you also want to notify them of your address change, also for the same reason, just to make sure that the right details, the right people are being contacted in case of emergencies. Number 7, you want to notify your subscriptions and membership platforms. For your subscriptions, this would include your, Amazon account, your Netflix account, your Shein, your, Zara account, whatever account it is that you have or subscription it is that you're subscribed to, you want to notify them. Your membership, if you attend the gym, you pay for a membership, you want to notify them of your address. And if you have any, online platforms it is that you're subscribed to, you want to notify them of the right address or your current address, just so your information is also up to date on those platforms. Number 8, you want to definitely notify your family and friends. This could include, sending them a cute text message or giving them a call to let them know that your address has changed, so that you don't get surprised at a wrong address or your previous address, and you've already moved, and they're like, oh, you didn't tell us that, or whatever it is. And also to make sure that your birthday cards, your birthday gifts get to the right address. You don't want to miss that, I believe so. So please make sure that you're updating your family and friends as regards to your current address, so they are also very much aware. And number 9, I believe, is also, I will be putting in the description a link for the things that you might need while moving or transitioning from your old address to your new address. Things that might make the transitioning smooth, more seamless, or things that it is that you might need in your new home that would make settling in a little or a lot more easier for you. That is it. That's my list for you on things that it is that you need to change when you are moving to a different address. Let me know in the comments if there is anything that I missed in these steps that you did and also needs to be done, so I can do an updated video and include that in the list. Okay, so I do hope you enjoyed this video. I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to share, and also subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.